So, Mom, you know that day when Robert was in the car and he told you that he's gonna get another wife. It was a prank.
This is serious now. I can't believe this one. You serious?
Yes, a prank.
Hey, that's ridiculous.
A prank, we prank you, a prank you. She was saying,
Me, I was so vexed. I said, what? Oh, no. I can't believe this one. No.
yes.
That's bad.
Robert taking me cut again.
Is it? I thought it was for real. And I was saying, nah, that's no good. He wasn't God. That's so stupid anyway. That's a serious joke, That one was a very serious joke. Oh no! I said, no boy. Better you leave. No, stay there.
ah.